So today I'm going to test the Amiga 500 Mini controller. I have to admit I've only started the Amiga Mini twice. I was so disappointed at it that I decided to use it as a door stopper instead. Sorry about that, but this one is pretty good. This one can be used. So we're going to have a look at RougeCraft running on the Quartex Media Desktop or Amibian.js code word. My camera is here, but my screen is here. So if I'm looking all over the place, that's the reason. So yeah. So first off, this one mapped to the browser almost immediately. As long as I started the desktop, which runs in the browser, and then plugged it in, and then it picked it up immediately. So it shows up here, as you see, and that's it. Yeah, it was super easy. So let's fire it up. This is RougeCraft, probably I think it's the only Amiga game I've bought for the past 20 years or something. But it really looks good. So here we go. I'm just gonna do one level because the levels are short, and yeah. Oh shoot, those chickens are pretty sneaky. I think I needed some health there. But the graphics is amazing. I love it. And I mean, isometric always looks really good, but it can be a little bit tedious to navigate. You have to, yeah, you have to sort of. It moves slightly different than you would normally expect. That's it's isometric. That's how it works. So a lot of all the stupid things to. Oh wait. There was one on the right. I'm pretty sure that they could have used like normal, freescape, being able to walk around, without any issues. I think they actually could have done that here. I'm not complaining, it works really well, but something about habit, I guess. I'm sort of used to moving around in freescape. Why? Devil spawn. Oh, damn chickens. Come on. Oh. Actually died on level 1. Yeah, that's why I'm a coder, not a gamer. Yeah. Anyways, the point was to demonstrate that you can actually game on a web desktop. I actually have RetroArch running here, which is cool. So you have like PlayStation and Nintendo 64, and pretty much. Let's see. Actually, I can just switch disks. So eject the zip file with ADF stuff, and I should have something else we can look at, like Black Lotus. Mount that. Reset. See how that works. This is probably one of the most impressive demos, like, of all time. I'm not sure why the audio suddenly doesn't work. So this happens. It has to do with context. I'll fix that. So when the emulator sort of allocates the allocates the audio ports, and it doesn't seem to release them afterwards. So I'm not sure if it's my code that's doing this or if it's the actual emulator core. Oh, now suddenly the sound kicked in. And the sound went off again. I'm not sure if you were hearing it, but I can't hear it. Anyways, it works, and it's just, tiny details to sort of complete this. So, yeah, we're getting there. Okay, cheers.